Hello everyone, today we have a Nokia 2.3, model is TA1206, and this phone came with a charging port issue. I see inside here there are two pins not great, so of course the phone is not charging. And I said I will make a video just to help others. Maybe it will make your life easier to change the port on this phone. Yeah, so we take out the SIM tray, of course, and now we just find a spot where to open it. We use the opener tool, and we go just like that. We go all over like that. Of course, we have to be careful. As you can see, there are some clicks, doing some clicks. And just go all over. You see? You can use your nails, or you can use an opener tool like this, something like this, but myself, I'm using my nails. I'm used to do that, and yeah, this is working for me. Okay, so here is the phone. Now it's opened. This is the back. And of course my screwdriver, yeah, is here. So normally what you have to do, you have to take out the battery. Take out the battery connector and then replace the charging port. But myself today, I don't want to waste too much time. So I will just remove the charging connector and replace it. Let's see if the phone is off. Yeah, the phone is off anyway, it's okay. Better to be off than to be on. Of course, you should probably take out the battery first, you know, but myself, I did plenty of times these phones, and I know how not to short this connector, because if you short this one, then we might have a problem, you know. So that's why best thing always is take out the battery. So we have this connector, we make sure that we take it out properly like this, exactly, and when we put it back, exactly same spot, not a bit left or right, you know, because it's like that, then those pin inside, they might get shorted, and then we're gonna have a serious problem. Okay, and now I just take out the charging port, and let's see, now it's the hardest part, to find this port, because I have about 2 boxes. You see, I have these 2, so we have to go all over them and to to find the one that it's compatible. No problem. Okay. One is too big, one is too small. We also have to make sure the orientation of the port. Okay, you see? Exactly the same port. So you saw how like it jumped. Okay. Let me see if my microscope is on. Okay, so it's okay. Yeah, microscope, it's okay. And where is my holder? Okay, moment, I found the other one, which is much better. So let's find a nice place where to put this folder. Okay, I think like this it will be. It should be all right. Okay. Let's switch under the microscope. So yeah, this is the little guy that is making us troubles. Oh, and here you have to be very careful. You see, this is the microphone, yeah? Very careful not to blow too much air here in this side, yeah? So all the air blown, it will go like this side, mostly. Because the microphone, it's heat sensitive component, and it will definitely get damaged. So yeah, heat control is very important on. So you see, I'm using like this. One moment, I will show you on the top as well. So okay. So you see, this is the orientation. You go like that side, yeah? Always. Close that side. Let's switch back. Okay. A moment, because I see that you don't see anything. So you see how it's getting melted? Okay. And that's it. That's it. The port is out. We're gonna clean up the parts. And replace it. We put some plugs, of course. Always we need plugs. Okay. So now we can do two things. Like myself, I like to wick it before, put it in place, and then we resolder everything back. You can even blow air and then put the port, but I prefer to do one like this. So I just wick everything properly. Okay. One moment to cut this. Okay. Everything looks very nice now. We clean the flux, yeah, with some isopropylic alcohol. Not sure if I spell it right, but anyway. Okay. And now we take out this little port and we put it exactly here. I'm so glad that I have exactly the same port. So you see, the only thing is that it's a bit short, if you see that, yeah? But I'm very glad that it's making contact with the pads. All the pins are making contact, so we wouldn't mind that because we can put enough solder to cover that. Okay, so let's put some flux everywhere on the pins. Okay, and now we put some solder. Now I just keep pressed a little bit on it. Okay, we spare some solder on the both pins, and same on this side. You see how nice it is, like shiny, everything looks perfect. Now let's go on the back here. So you see how it's going on the pins. Okay, I'll put more flux here and let's go closer so you can see. Okay. Okay. So what do you think? Do we have a strong connection? I think we have a very strong connection here. Look how nice it is. Okay. We clean up the flux now. How did this got here? No idea. Okay, one moment. Yeah, so we clean up the flux. So you see, it's very hard to clean the flux once it's dried. Yeah, so we just put myself. I'm using 200 degrees. Yeah, and not too much, just a little bit to soft the flux. Yeah, I put alcohol, isopropylic alcohol, and look how nice it's going. Look this side, and yeah. Now the flux is gone. We use another clean ear stick or whatever it's this. Yeah, ear stick. Yeah. Okay. We put more alcohol once again. And looks like Now it's okay, yeah? So you see, everything all right. I dry up a little bit. And we have the charging port fixed. Let's see the other way, the other side. Sorry, it's not focusing. One moment. Yeah, there is also some flux and some soldering balls here. So we clean up a little bit here as well. And we are ready to go. Let me switch on the main camera. Okay. I will turn off the microscope. Yeah. So now we have a new charging port here. Just one moment, I clean up a little bit here. I don't want to leave any marks on the display. So that's it. I will just put the port back. Make sure that it's in the right position. Okay. It's just a slightly difference between the ports, and probably that's why it's not fitting perfectly, but it's okay. Actually, it's not okay. One moment. It's not okay. And probably what we have to do here, we clean up a little bit here. Yeah. And that's it. Now everything is all right. We put back the antenna. Now very carefully we install this back. Okay, we make sure that we won't short anything. Okay, now it's on the spot, and I press a little bit. That's it. Let's brush a little bit here. Okay, and let's not forget to put the speaker. So yeah, I would suggest to take out this cover, yeah, and to remove the battery before of doing anything, yeah. For the people who are just starting, you know, to do this job, or who are just learning, better to take out always the battery. And this is like applied to any device, a smartphone, tablet, or whatever. You know, on the iPads, it's a bit hard to take out the battery, but if you take out the screw that is holding the battery, you could put just a plastic thing like under the battery, and in this way you will stop any current going through the board, so you'll avoid any risks from damaging any circuit, you know. So we have this done. We will make a test now to see if everything is working fine. And battery is charging, it's taking enough current, it's taking 1.45 amps, so everything is all right now. We have a new charging port, battery is charging, that's it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe if you like my videos. I'll try always to add more videos and to make more and more and more, so hopefully somebody will learn something from these videos. Thanks, have a good day.